Circle! Eve! Ta-da!
Whoa! 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 Cavies!
Cavies?
Cavemen, stand back. They're practically animals. You see their bony, sloping foreheads?
Yeah.
The huge, primitive teeth.
Yeah?
Oh, the excessive body hair. Oh, that one's got a tail.
Yeah.
All right, close your eyes. I'm going to have to take their lives.
No! It won't help. They're my family.
What?
Ah! Rah-rah! Ah! The sun is in his hands!
No, it's fire. Where did it come from? He made it.
Make some for me.
It doesn't come out of him.
Make it.
You know, you're a lot like your daughter.
Oh, great. Now he's broken.
Oh, it's a baby son.
Whoa, hey, stay back. We don't know what it wants. Now, we'll all sit here and wait for the sun to come back. And tomorrow, we'll find a new cave and pretend today never happened. Isn't this fun, Eve? Eve, don't touch him. Goodness knows where he's been.
Dad, Sandy's hurting Fire.
Sandy, no. Fire is not a plaything.
Oh, what a cute little guy.
Oh, hey, stay back. No, wait.
It likes me. Hey, it's biting me. Please stop.
Thunk, hey, try hiding from it in the tall, dry grass.
No, stop. Please, I'm only 9. Ah, they're biting me.
Fire babies.
Hi.
So your dad, he's trying to kill me.
Yeah, but I won't let him.
Come back.
No, stop. Let me.
Get out. Out. Stop, babies.
You.
Die. I win.
They're not so scary once you get to know them.
Who are you people?
Oh, I'm sorry. We're the Croods. And you are?
Guy?
Hi, guys.
It looks like magic. It smells like food.
Oh!